A very good morning. It's Mark here. It is just after 8 a.m. Eastern. That's just after noon GMT. 22nd of April, Tuesday, US session underway. And let's start with the dollar index here. The markets are positioned. Very little movement to start the US session. Slightly up. You can see that slightly green candlestick, more like a doji. Sellers did try lower already today, 97.80. That's close to yesterday's support at 97.69. Buyers did step in, and as I say, now slightly higher than the open. Resistance still sitting at 98.58. Not much change since yesterday. US dollar sentiment still weak. We do know that, and we'll see how that plays out today during the US session. Let's have a look at the S&P. Yesterday was a big sell-off in all the major US equity markets. S&P came down, support at 5,121, then fought back late yesterday afternoon. Now sitting pretty flat, matching yesterday's close. We've got support at 5,198, got resistance at 5,252. Market definitely feeling nervous. You can see that the downtrend is now confirmed with the EMAs pointing downwards. Yesterday, uncertainty, tariff uncertainty, again, coupled with political uncertainty, Fed Chairman Powell and Trump's tiff escalating, all added to the weak market yesterday. Market opens in 1.5 hours. Wall Street will be open, and let's see if buyers can turn things around, or if we're going to see a continuation of yesterday's sell-off. Gold. And once again, I know same old, we're seeing a gap up to start the day as we did yesterday, and then a new record high. This time 3,501 is the record high. Buyers firmly in control. Any kind of a drawback, pullback, retracement, just seen as an opportunity for buyers at this point. If I zoom into the hourly, there you can see slight pullback during the Asian-European session. Buyers have stepped in already, 3,456 the current price, and certainly that 3,500 resistance is what buyers will be eyeing. On the downside, 3,411 is the intraday daily support for now. Let's have a look at oil. Sitting at just about $66. After a strong week last week, sellers yesterday brought the price down as low as 64.67, and then late in the day, buyers did step in, and sitting around in a very narrow range so far. 65.63 is support, and 66.46 is resistance. Buyers does seem to be up, notwithstanding yesterday's pullback, but sitting flat where it left off yesterday. Uptrend, EMAs pointing to the upside. Buyers will be looking to come up and test that 67 area. Sellers will be wanting to come and test below the 66 and get into the 65 zone. Bitcoin looking strong. Had a strong day yesterday, significantly closed at 87, higher than it's been able to close the whole of last week, and right now sitting at that very important and strategic 88,800 level, looking to get to the 89 level. Technically, certainly looking strong. Looks like Bitcoin does want to test those low 90s. Stuck at this level that it wasn't able to break through in March, towards the end of March. You can see that that's exactly where we're sitting now. but bias is up, trend is up, buyers are firmly in control, and does seem to appears to be demand for Bitcoin at this point. Keep that discipline, and I will see you at end of day session. Good trading.